Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2016 Honda CR-V 2.4 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. Okay, I'm going to start it up. If you see that wrench light on your dash, that means it's time to change oil. So we're going to be working with these controls, these menu buttons, and these buttons right here. So first I'm going to hit the menu button. Then we're going to scroll up to vehicle information. Okay, maintenance. And that's how you reset a maintenance light. So now the wrench has disappeared. So that's how you reset a maintenance required light. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.